birthday vlog, man. It's my new bathroom. Here we made it. Mama made it. I'm talking about, so yeah, birthday vibes, you know what I'm saying? Big 2-7, man. I'm 27 years old, man. I'm 27 years old, you know what I'm saying? With this age, you know, I done been through a lot and learned a lot, you know what I'm saying? I'm ready just to take my life to the next level, you know what I'm talking about? So yeah, we in the motherfucking shit like these. We in the shit like these, nigga. We be like these. That's that jump when you almost was about to bust your shit. Fuck you talking about? Yeah, man. I'm about to have my girl in here. You know what I'm saying? We'll run the shop. Yeah, man. Subscribe to the OnlyFans coming soon. OnlyFans coming soon. No, man, I'm just in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Chilling, talking my shit. You know what I'm saying? Vlogging. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if I'm gonna put this up on YouTube, but if I do, nigga, just know my fucking level was at an all-time high. Cuz done gave me a boy for the boy. I can't even show that because I was just about to show that, then I'm like, I wanna monetize this video. You know what I'm saying? I'm at the top, man. At the top, blow. And we got a baked potato studio. Shout out to DJ Cali, man. I was in here playing some music. Why is it just so low? This is what they got at the Cosmo. That's what they got. Look at this. Red plate. Big boy shit. Look at that. 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 The barbershop. The barbershop. Barbershop. I need some pussy in the shower. I need some pussy in the shower. I'ma get me some pussy in the shower. This my pussy. I'ma get in the shower. Yeah, bro. Shit just be happening, bro. I'm mad my TV warped. Now I gotta fuck around and get this TV. You know what I'm saying? Real bosses got 3 TVs in the crib. Now we gotta fuck with this TV. Bro. Dog. I've been fucking with it all. Hold on. Who these niggas think they speaking on? We don't be the road. Trust the power of your intuition and the power of your subconscious mind. What you talking about? I missed a call from the plug, gotta call him back. I walk out the door, got 100 on me. As soon as I walk in the door, got your woman on me. I fuck around to a hot party. Dog in a video, party. I'm tryna leave a nigga dead and get blocked party. Say you what? What you stand for? Oh, let's go. I just heard that shit. Every time it sound like gunfire. Party. I gotta recurl my hair. For my future wife, if you watching this video, I love you. And I need you, baby. I need you. I need you, girl. Yon World birthday vlog continues, man. We at the Cosmo. Y'all see it, man. Little birthday drip, you know what I'm talking about? Yon World, only wear my apparel. You know what I'm saying? It's a secret. Yeah, birthday vlog shit. The pool on level 14, that's what's up. You know what I'm saying? We out here live. We at the Cosmo. Smell like a firecracker in this bitch. About to hit the Nino. See what they talk about now. Yeah. We out here. Look at this shit. Casino vibes. We up in here. You know what I'm saying? About to win some big money, man. About to win some big money. So.
You can film if you're sitting at a game playing that game, or if you're with someone playing the game. But as far as like run around, pan around.
Can I film myself?
You can film yourself.
Okay.
Playing the game,
but not, I can't film other people. Alright, I won't do it no more. I'll have it just on me. Okay, thank you, man. Can't film other people. Only film yourself. So my vlog's gonna look like this. I gotta go get a car. Can't film other people, just to film yourself. I gotta find a concierge service. Big money. Not a limit. Yon World. Give me another card.
They got music. Oh, I'm about to like. Okay, come on. Let's go. I need another drink.
That's what's up. Birthday vlog continue for Queen. You know it. Guess we gotta go to the casino. I think we gotta go to the casino. This looks like the wrong. This is like the older.
See, Fremont is the first version of Vegas. Like where we're at, they built that way down the road. So that's why I look older, you know, it feels older. You can tell the architect.
Yeah.
All those good bitches we in is brand new, but
They were asking me how come I was stopping like New Orleans or something.
this reminds me of the Miami casino. Remember that old feeling?
Yeah,
That's what this reminds me of. It's like the original casino.
This one like a big. It's stretching.
Yeah, I think we need to come here and do that for 2 days.
Yeah, we can stay here.
Do that whenever it's cold.
Think, is that it?
That's it. But that looks like that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm so good.
Early.
Fuck yeah, I want to stay down here next time. Oh, hell yeah. And I got my music. Oh my god, you need to go live.
Alright.
That's a good opportunity.
I was trying to get a little footage.
Of course.
We live in Fremont.
I tried to pass him to